Hey up, I'm a Nott'm lass, and here it is, the moment you've all been waiting for. It's the 2,000 subscriber giveaway. Woohoo! So Deb, what's happening today? What are we doing?
You're doing the 2,000 subscriber giveaway, you just told them.
Correct, we are. So, we have
3 super prizes for 3 really lucky, shiny lucky winners.
correct. That is it, Deb. Well done, you've nailed it on the head there. Anyway, so, yeah.
You need to explain what the prizes are and what people have got to do to get the prize.
Hang on. So luckily, this video is in collaboration with 2 fantastic companies. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to work with you, and I'm hoping to work with you more in the future. But anyway, the first company who I'm working with is Guardsy. Guardsy.
I've never Guardsy. Oh, do they make
First aid kits.
That's really nice.
It is, isn't it?
Because it's a first aid kit to go camp. But look,
it's got a torch on it. I mean,
can't go wrong.
you can't go wrong with that.
If you're on a mountainside and it's getting dark and you've cut your knee, you've got a torch.
So thanks, Guardsy. You know what? This is a really cool company. So nice actually to talk to and communicate with. But they have sent me this to give away. How nice is that? Thank you so much, Guardsy.
Download your ebook, guardsyfirstaid.com.
That is what I want to talk about. So, Guardsy have a free first aid kit on their website, which you can download, and it actually works without phone signal. So if you are, let's hope you're not, stranded on a hillside, you can, read that guide without phone signal. I mean, that's pretty cool, isn't it? Very, very useful.
That is useful. So you can get first aid advice without having to be on the internet. If you don't know what to do about, somebody who's bleeding profusely, it will tell you what to do.
Yeah.
And that's guardsyfirstaid.com. Is that what it is?
Yeah, and it's portable and practical, and it is. It's really light. It's very small.
It's got the little torch.
You can attach it onto your bicycle. You can put it into your backpack.
Yeah, because it's got a little carabiner there.
Yeah, exactly.
It's got a little carabiner, so you can hang it on your belt or off the side of your rucksack.
Well, actually, Deb, there's actually a. I don't want to open it up.
Don't open it up.
But there's if you can notice there's a little thing where you wrap around your bike.
Oh, yes.
So it's pretty handy. So yeah, you could win this. This is very, very cute. Thank you so much, Guardsy, once again for sending me this to give away. Go and find them on Instagram. I'll put the links all in the description box. Go and give them a follow.
Yeah.
Absolutely. So yeah, that is the first prize. Secondly, and wow, I'm just amazed of how much stuff they've given me, is the Fell Store. Fell Store. Is that focuses?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The Fell Store, everybody, is a British community-driven, family-run company providing freeze-dried adventure meals and outdoor equipment with a passion for quality food while exploring. So just because you're out on the hills doesn't mean you've got to eat rubbish food, basically. So yeah, Fell Store, they've got a lot of followers actually, and so they're an online company, thefellstore.com.
Yeah, and they've Hannah, thank you so much for sending me this, Hannah from the Fell Store. Wow, I'm not sure where to start with all this.
You start with that. I mean, this looks amazing.
This is just absolutely, I love the name for a start. I mean, Summit to Eat, what a great name. That's such a good name, isn't it?
So it's like that, so basically, that's a vegetable chipotle chili with rice.
Chipotle.
What?
Chipotle.
I don't know how you pronounce it. So basically, you add hot boiling water, and then they've sent you a spoon. You've got a spoon here to eat with.
I mean, how cool is that? A spoon, so you can actually, eat it with that. This dish, this looks lovely actually. Vegetarian, which is great. I mean, amazing. Oh wait, and it's vegan. It's vegan.
They must have known.
They must have known, eh? Thank you, Hannah. This is really cool.
All these things.
I mean, the spoon's really, really cool. It's a Vango spoon.
Yeah. Then you've got
this tent meals, sour cherry and chocolate. It's a breakfast meal. This looks nice, so you can win that.
This is all one big prize.
The Fell Store, this is one prize, second prize. This is a chocolate chip bar. This looks delicious.
There's 2 more bars.
Oh my God, there's just so much stuff, Hannah. It's just mental. Thank you. Got all this.
And we've got 4 coffees.
4 coffees. It's not tea bags.
No, I thought it was a tea bag. It's not. It's actually, look, it looks like it's a coffee bean.
Ooh.
I think it's
I think it's a tea bag, Deb.
It?
I'm not sure.
Or a coffee bag.
But yeah, this is a lot.
So that's all that.
So this is the second prize. For a lucky winner. I mean, I would love to get a prize like this as well. I mean, the first aid kit as well. This is just amazing. Just so cool. Okay. Wow.
So what's the third prize, Lucy?
So the third prize is from me. I can't really compete, but anyway, the Nott'm Last mug and the Nott'm Last magnet. Can't go wrong. So yeah, I mean, limited edition.
They'll be
mug.
Worth something in 100 years' time.
Watch this space, everyone. So yeah. So maybe thinking, how can I win these prizes? Just a little rule. One person can't win the whole lot. That's not fair.
No, it's 3 prizes. All the
Three
stuff,
prizes.
All the stuff from the Fell store. The lovely first aid kit from Guardsy with the torch and the carabiner, and from the Nott'm Lass, her prize mug and magnet.
So the rules to win one of these prizes. Please comment below. Hashtag happiest in the mountains. Okay, you have to put that in the comments. Hashtag happiest in the mountains. I'll put the word here. Go and put that in the comments. And I'll be doing another draw video where I pick it out of the hat. 3 winners to win these 3 prizes. So I wish you all the best of luck.
So hang on a sec. When's the closing date?
Let's say next Saturday. Okay, Saturday. What date's a Saturday, Deb? Let's have a quick look on my.
It's not going to be Valentine's Day, is it? No, it's about
the 13th. Closing date Saturday the 13th of February. So yeah. Watch this space.
So what we're doing the prize draw about lunch to about 12 o'clock?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. So yeah. Make sure you go and comment below. Hashtag.
And then we'll send out, if you're a lucky winner, we'll send the prize out to your address.
One more rule. It's UK only, and I wish I didn't have to do this, but it's with the whole coronavirus thing and charges, I don't want to be giving you fees, you know.
Yeah, no. If we send these to Europe, you're going to have an import duty.
Yeah, so
because of Brexit.
Maybe in the future.
Yeah.
But yeah, sadly, this is just UK only for now. And yeah.
So basically, guys, you know, all this lovely stuff. Yeah. You know, it's going to get. I reckon in the next month or 2, they're going to open up the country again, and we're going to be out there in the hills and everything again. And this stuff would be really, really handy to have.
Yeah.
You know, pack it in your rucksack and off you go.
Yeah.
I mean, at the moment, obviously, it's going to just, you know, sit there in your house, not being able to be used. But come, you know, I reckon they'll open up the country by sort of spring.
We're going mad.
Yeah.
I've not been to the Peak District since early December, so obviously I'm going quite mad with it all. I can't wait to be out there again. Absolutely desperate. So we will be doing another giveaway. Once you reach about 2,500 subscribers, you're gonna make something little.
I'm gonna make something rather special.
Gonna customise a gift.
No, I'm not just Lucy's sort of little, you know, humorous sidekick. I do have a life of my own.
Yeah.
And I'm quite creative and arty.
You've got your own channel, Fabulous Rooms.
Oh yeah.
Got your own channel. It's going really well. Go and give her a sub.
These hikers won't be interested in interior design, learning to be interior designers.
Nope.
They won't. Actually, they won't be, will they? No. They're actually, of all the people, they're not going to be interested in interior design because they would rather spend their money going out into the hills
and buying tents.
Yes.
So make sure you go and comment below. Hashtag happiest in the mountains.
Very cheesy.
What have we become, Dev?
But
yeah, thank you to Guardsy, thank you to the Fell store. Go and give them some love on their social media pages. They have been a great help and very, very nice, very supportive. And yeah, so that is the end of this video. Good luck, and I hope you win something. So yeah.
We'll be doing a live picking out of the hat, won't we?
Yeah.
So non-edited as well.
No, of course.
So it's not, you know, so you'll see us writing the names, then putting them in a hat, and then, you know.
Yeah.
Someone will pick them out. I don't know who's going to pick out the name out the hat.
We'll take it in turns. So yeah, thank you for getting me to 2,000 subscribers, everyone. Woohoo! So if you enjoyed this video, comment, like, share, go and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!